Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to start a new world in Animal Crossing. To begin a fresh island, you must first delete your existing save data. This is the only method available to completely reset your game. Understand that this action is permanent and will erase all your current progress, villagers, and collected items. Make sure you are fully prepared to say goodbye to your old island before proceeding. To access the deletion option, navigate to your Nintendo Switch home menu. From there, select the System Settings icon. Once inside System Settings, scroll down the left-hand menu until you find Data Management. Click on this option and then choose Delete Save Data to move forward with the process. It's a few steps, but straightforward.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give the video a like. Quick recommendation. Starting a new island can be tough on your feet, so why not treat them right? Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Within the Delete Save Data menu, you'll see a list of all your games. Locate Animal Crossing, New Horizons, and select it. The system will then ask you to confirm your decision to delete the save data. Remember, this is the point of no return. Once you confirm, your island will be gone forever, so take a deep breath and be absolutely sure. Once the save data is successfully deleted, simply launch Animal Crossing, New Horizons from your home menu. The game will recognize that there's no existing save file and will automatically prompt you to begin a brand new island adventure. This is your chance to design everything from scratch, choose new villagers, and create the island of your dreams. Have fun with it.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.